What if you could cruise the crystal clear Adriatic Sea on a boat that literally made world history, but was left out of the history books? This is Mate. At first glance, she looks like a beautifully restored traditional wooden boat, but carved into her hull is an incredible secret from World War II. We captured these stunning views during a special promotional ride. Starting in the second half of June, Mate is officially ready to take you on unforgettable daily summer tours. Step on board, and right behind the captain's cabin, you will find these comfortable white benches, the perfect spot to relax, feel the sea breeze, and soak up the Mediterranean sun. Mate is registered to comfortably host 10 people, making it the ultimate choice for an exclusive private day on the sea with your family or friends. Young Captain Ive plans to kick off the season with daily trips to the breathtaking sandy island of Olib and its surroundings. But the best part? The itinerary is completely customizable. You and the captain can design your own perfect Adriatic adventure. But to truly appreciate this vessel, we have to travel back in time. Mate was built in 1943, right in the midst of World War II. Instead of a peaceful life, this boat was claimed by the Partisans and used in active wartime operations. In fact, Mate holds a legendary title. It was the very first boat to enter the liberated city of Trieste. However, because of her modest size, historians left her out of the official textbooks. But the locals never forgot. The original owner of the boat was Ive Vucetic, famously known by his nickname Bili. For 3 whole generations, the Cecić family proudly kept, maintained, and loved this boat, keeping its incredible history alive. Just over a year ago, a young and passionate entrepreneur, Ive purchased the historic vessel. He invested his heart and soul into a complete, top-to-bottom renovation. Today, Mate is fully modernized, perfectly safe, and ready for the open sea. During our promotional sale, I had the honor of being on deck with Captain Ive himself, while Mario captured these breathtaking views from the shore. Are you ready to step away from the crowded tourist traps and write your own chapter on this living piece of history? Your private Adriatic escape is just a phone call away. To book your tailor-made trip or check availability, call Mr. Ive directly at +3 8599 332 0886. Don't just visit Croatia. Experience its true soul on the boat, Mate. See you on board.